Hey there, this is April with EntreLeverage, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up a really quick and easy editorial calendar using Asana. So the first thing you want to do after you create an Asana account, if you don't already have one, it's going to ask you what you want to call your team. And in my business, we divide everything up into either administrative work, marketing work, or creative/technical work. So the editorial calendar is going to fall into the marketing category. So that's what we're going to name this team. In this screen, you can add any necessary team members that you'd like to add. I'm not going to add anybody at the moment, so I'm just going to click continue. And we're going to choose to start a project for my team. So we're going to start a new project, and you want to call this either editorial calendar or content marketing, whichever makes more sense for you. So I'm just going to use content marketing. And you can choose if you want to use the list layout, which is the regular way that they've been doing it for a long time, or they have the new board layout. I haven't really used this one yet, so I'm just going to use the list layout for this tutorial. And we're going to click Create Project. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is create a section called Blog Topic Ideas. And if you put a colon after it, it makes it a heading. And then underneath that, you just put the ideas that you have for blog posts. So if you're in a big brainstorming meeting or whatever, you can just lay them out here. Just like that. And then we want to have another section called Scheduled. And we'll skip a few lines. And we'll call this Published. So having a scheduled and a published area will get you into the habit of creating content in advance. So once you have a few topic ideas, what you want to do is to click onto each one, and in this area you want to give a brief description of what the blog post is going to be about, just a little bit more in depth than just the topic idea. So and then down here, we can start creating some subtasks by clicking this. And so what you want to do is create the subtasks for each of them, and you can copy these later and use them as a template over and over again. So you have create draft in WordPress. And then after it's published, we can even, so let's see, we're going to add another heading up here. Oops, it doesn't want me to do that. I was going to, oh, there it goes. Before publishing, and then after it's published, we want to, I'm not going to write all of that out, so we're going to put Facebook groups, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Pinterest. And then we're going to create a newsletter that links back to it. And then if you're going to have a content upgrade in it, you might want to have another section in here called content upgrade. And if you don't know what a content upgrade is, it's just something simple that people can download that goes along with the blog post. So a checklist or a video or something like that. So what type is it going to be? I'm just doing this really quick. This is not exactly how mine would really look, but you get the idea. So these are your ideas, and then inside each idea you want to keep track of what type of if you're going to have a content upgrade or not, what type it's going to be, and then you need to create it and publish it. And then here's the list of everything that you do before publishing the blog post, and then you want to keep track of everything that you're going to do with it after the blog post. And that's it. And then once you've done that, you can create a template from this, and you can actually just copy each one of these down below into your other topic ideas so that everything here in the right pane copies over. So if you have any questions, you can email me at support@entreleverage.com, and I will be happy to help you.